If you're watching this video, I'm assuming that your low beams are not working, but your high beams are. And the way that I fixed this was actually very curious, and I don't quite understand it. As you see, I fixed it on the one side here. It actually isn't a big problem because you can see my headlights are so foggy anyway. Nobody even knows that I have my brights on, so I should probably just drive with these on anyway until I get this replaced. Anyway, but let me show you what I did. Step by step of what I did, which actually wasn't the problem, but it could be helpful for you in case it is a problem. I went into the fuse case first. You just push here, you can pop it up. You can use a quarter, it's good luck, or a screwdriver, or anything. Just don't force it because it can break. Now, if you look on the inside of this case, you'll see that there it tells you what's going on. So these are like the headlights. You've got left and right headlights here, again here. So notice that the left and the right headlights have different fuses. So unlikely that if both, as was the case, both low beam headlights were out, if that's a fuse problem, because what's the probability that both fuses would go out at once? Again, also, I thought it was unlikely that it was the bulbs because, again, low probability that both bulbs would be out, so something must be up. So what I did first is I actually checked this relay fuse here. I switched it out with a different one that I knew was good, and nothing changed. So I was a little confused there. And I just went in and I essentially played with all the fuses for a while, and nothing changed. Nothing was fixed. So it's a little dumbfounded. And so I decided, well, maybe I'll just check the bulb. And so when I reached in to pull the bulb out, something curious happened. So notice this light is not on. Now this can also be a tutorial on how to replace the headlight bulbs. But if you come in just right behind, you can look in here and you'll see, it's kind of dark, but you see this right here. This is what you want to loosen. Now you loosen it by turning it counterclockwise, or if you're sitting in the driver's seat, you want to turn it to your left. So as I reach in here and turn it to the left, notice that the light is now on. Now, I don't really understand why that does that. So when I tighten it back up, notice it's now working, and I still need to replace this because it's so foggy. But if you know why that fixes that low beam and why that then turns on, please comment below because I'd love to hear about it. And if you've had this problem and you fixed it in a different manner, if it was a fuse, please comment below. Maybe put a link to your video to help somebody else out, because we're all here to help each other, save money, and save headaches. Thanks.